Yes, we need the pictures. Pictures, okay? So many people just don't pay any attention. Just again, I'm guilty in all of those, guys. I know, because I'm not standing here and telling you I'm the smart guy, I know how to be the truth. No, I have been doing mistakes here. I have been doing terrible mistakes here, terrible mistakes here, terrible mistakes here, terrible mistakes, terrible mistakes, terrible mistakes, terrible results. This all is based on experience being terrible. Okay? That's why it costs so much sometimes to learn things, because you don't learn very much from doing no mistakes, right? The best lessons you learn from the things you're messing up, right? Well, at least me. Item specifics. No, the pictures, sorry. The pictures, I just released a very new video. Go to my page, you will gonna see, or on a YouTube, the very last video, I think it's about the pictures. Very simple example, really cool example, short video, 10 minutes, something like this. Cool example over my shoulder. You look on my screen how to do the pictures in a way to be outstanding by design. In a way to be outstanding. In a way it's absolutely free, cost you nothing. Just need a little bit creativity, a little bit, not much, okay? And when you do this, you position yourself. Remember at the beginning I told about positioning? You position yourself on eBay to be authentic, to be original. And guess what eBay will gonna do with you when you are not the same, but when you position yourself to be authentic and original? Because eBay is smart. eBay likes authentic. The same like you. Do you like fake watch, or you like? I don't have watch. I don't wear watches. Mostly not. Do you like? But for those who like, oh, whatever, I have speaker. Let me just talk speaker because I don't have watch. Do you like fake speaker, or you would like original speaker? Fake brand somewhere made in a China basement. Okay, which cost here. Let's say you can buy it on Amazon, but you can buy it on eBay fake, and you can buy it on somewhere on a street corner fake, or you want original, right? So it's the same with the eBay. Nobody likes fake. Everybody likes original. That's why you need to make pictures original, authentic, and your exposure will be. Why your exposure is the same like everybody else, and you are on the same page like everybody else? Because you did the same pictures like everybody else. Something like that, right? Magic, it's called magic, right? There is no magic in this so far, not even in the last thing, which is what? One more thing you need to get sale. What's that? It's called priced. Priced. You need to be priced properly. Properly priced item. Properly priced item, because you see, this is again depends on your positioning. For example, just imagine this cost 50 on Amazon. Just let's say on Amazon it costs 50. When you have purpose in your mind, I need to go through this process to get the sale, not the profit, but the sale, because and you have this understanding, because every sale we're gonna open visibility more for me on eBay. I will gonna be noticed by eBay, and eBay will see that there is activity going pretty much, because when customers come in, they buy something, they go with the product, eBay will gonna like me. So this is the reason why, okay? 50 here you will not gonna sell it for 79 because it's sold for 79. You can see that, right? But you are smart enough, because you know I need sale. You're gonna sell it for what? For 64 to break even maybe, or to have $2. Why? Because you need sale. That's the one reason. That's the price properly, because your purpose is to get sale as soon as possible. Now, let's say your purpose is not to get sale as soon as possible, but to get to profit, because you prerequisite already the necessary things to get sale as soon as possible. Now you're shooting for the profits, okay? $50 here, you will not gonna sell for 64 here. You will gonna price it for, how much I said, 79, I said it cost on eBay. You see sold on eBay 79. You will not gonna sell it for 79. You will gonna do it for, best guess, What's the best guess? For how much? For how much? 79. Somebody says 78.05. That's what I did many times, okay? Until Monopoly came into the play. Again, you can do it for 78.05. Yes, that's one thing. That's because you are on this part, you are playing this part of the game in eBay. If you are on Monopoly, you will price different. You will price for 89. You will say, Andrew, how it's possible? Because it's sold. I found the highest sold on eBay 79. And you are telling me I can sell it for 89, 10 bucks more? Who will gonna buy it? Profits by design. We design profits. We are not controlled by what's happening on eBay. It's called monopoly. It's called monopoly strategy. Monopoly, right? Whatever it's sold on eBay 79, we sell 89. Doesn't matter. How it's possible? It's inside in a monopoly. It's inside in a monopoly. For those who don't have free monopoly version, raise your hand, contact me. I will gonna send you a free monopoly version. You can watch it how it's possible. Okay? So this is in monopoly, right? So that's why I'm telling you, there is no one price. What the average dropshippers does? Cut the price, cut the price, cut the price. Oh, I need this repricer because the prices are fluctuating there. What's that for? I don't know why people are using them. Okay, price, 7 things, right? So this is that's not it. That's not it. I'm talking about what average dropshipper does here, right? This is one thing what everybody kind of like doing, but this is actually not the game what we are playing in Profits by Design. Profits by Design, we understand that this is only prerequisite. We understand that this is only half game. It's only half game to get your first score and hit like your competitor first, if you're playing football or soccer or whatever, okay? It's not the end of the game. The end of the game, and when you call yourself a winner, is behind this point, okay? This is where the real money happens. This is where the real money happens, because you can do all those things properly, get your money in your account, but if the customer will gonna leave you negative feedback, the game is over for you. And nothing matters what you did here. Nothing matters what you did here. Not your titles, not your description. eBay will not gonna care about that. eBay, you can talk to eBay and prove that you made title and you made description and you work 16 hours on making this one nice listing and taking pictures. Nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about that. The only people who care about that are the average people, who even most of them don't know how to create this, who just copy paste. Because what we understand by profits by design, that here is where the profits happen. Actually, here it's the profits.